What is up, realists? Welcome to On the Real Fishing. Today we got 1 hour to fish. Got my day to get ahead of me, but we've got to get out here, try to see what we can find. We're gonna poke along the river here, see if we can find any bass or anything else kind of hiding out, and do our best. We're gonna start off with a little whitetail curly grub and move on from there. Hopefully we'll be able to find some stuff and leave today without getting a skunk. So hold on tight, guys. Let's go get on the reel. Let's see if we can find some fish out here on the river. Alrighty, first cast. Got a little bit of current here, right off an eddy. Not sure if we'll be able to get anything's attention, but you never know. Just had some fish splashes out there. I think this current might be a little too strong for what I've got on here, but so we're just using the ultralight and the curly tail grub at the moment. Oh, that was actually a bite there, maybe. Yeah, I think it might have been. Oh, goodness. Maybe it wasn't. Alright. Let's see what's down there. Look, it's still got a good bit of flow. But there might be some fish banked up in here. Just gonna drop it. Whoa. Just gonna drop it down and see. That's it. Oh, definitely an eddy. It's going backwards. Well, I think I'm going to give it up for today. I don't have a ton of time, so without any bites, there's no kind of way to figure out where they're at. So, this spot today was a oof. We might have our first bite there. Or it might have just been a snag. So who knows. That's definitely a strike. Really gonna end up playing with the skipjack now. I think that was a bluegill. It's a bit bigger than the circular than the skipjack had been. There we go. Did we finally catch a fish? There we go. Skipjack on an ultralight way down yonder. I'm probably about, I'd say about 30 feet from the ground. Let's see how big this skipjack is. Not too bad. Nice pretty one though. This river skipjack. Got him in the chin, swiped up at it, looks like. There we go. Alrighty. Beautiful bright white skipjack. Very silvery, even though it's not sunny out here. Got a very bright sheen on it. Very cool. First fish. Finally. See you, buddy. Long way down. Sorry about that. Oh, skipjack snot. Probably too big of a jig head, but we're going to try to put a gold medal on there. I can see the little little guys that they're going after now. I'm gonna go on here and see what happens. There we go. A little bit better. Number 2. Still got to come up this 30 feet here. A little skipjack there. Got this one on the gulp minnow. Calm down. Calm down, I'll get you loose. And I'll show you off. Alright, another little skipjack there. Out on the river. Whee! That was a good dive. I may have narrowed them down here. Got 2 or 3 whack at it there as soon as it went in. Oh man, it's all blistered up. These probably won't last very long at all in here right now. Not on this setup anyways. That took my minnow, I guarantee it. I was still on there. There we go, we got one. We got one. Kind of narrowed them down here. Oh, this is a good one. This is a good one. Good one. I don't know if I'll be able to get him up with my ultralight. We'll try. Good gracious. Oh, nope, sure didn't. Oh, man. Well. Couldn't get that one up on the ultralight. Alrighty, we're going to retie up and try again. Oh, we kind of figured them out. I may get my other setup. Oh, that's what happened. The little thingy on top popped off. Alright, let me get this gulp minnow on the bobber rig. Might even do it. It'd be even better. Cool. Alright, let's do that. I'll let that sit there, flop around in the current. I think I want to grab a different jig head and retie the other one up because it seemed to be working better. Alright, so I just got the bobber floating in the eddy, and I went ahead and set up another gulp minnow. I just ended up grabbing a little chartreuse jig head, kind of hoping that will get a little bit more attention than just the straight black, but don't know. There we go. I think we lost the school. Nope, didn't. And definitely that trout magnet head probably helped a lot get that hook set, because it's smaller and it can get in the mouth a little easier. Yeah, look at there, nice little top of the nose hook set. Minnow is basically intact. Goodness, dude, quit. There we go. Awesome. See you, buddy. There we go. Another one. They're all kind of right in that same little spot. Alright. Hoping I have some catfish folk down here. Give them some of these skipjack, but don't have any catfish friends down here, so But there we go. Have a nice little skipjack there. Show them off because I got my camera pointing towards the water. I'm not quite on key with showing it off. All right, there we go. Like I said, they got a little spot there right in the current. Get it down there. They go after it. I'm surprised the one on the bobber here hasn't gone, but all right, realist, I gotta run today. Like I said, we only had about an hour to fish, so we did actually end up finding. I'm glad I came over here. I was about to just pack up and head on for the day. Decided to come over here to this rock wall to see if anything was in the eddy right here, and sure enough, after we did a little bit of experimenting, we ended up finding some good old skipjack. Like I said, I wish there were some catfishers here. Could have helped them out with some good old fresh live bait. Might need to think about doing that one day. Come out here with some gulp minnows and bring my catfish rod maybe and catch some fresh live bait and see what happens. But until next time, guys, thank you so much for coming along. Hopefully you guys have a great day, great night, great morning, wherever it is wherever you are. Hopefully it's awesome. Hopefully you guys get a chance to get on the reel real soon. One more cast.